Can absorb fat? You are missing out on essential nutrients. Fat absorption is essential for good health. When you don't absorb fat properly, you miss out on vital nutrients that your body needs to function properly. This can lead to a variety of health problems, including vitamin A deficiency, vitamin D deficiency, hormonal imbalances, and inflammation. If you're experiencing any of the symptoms listed above, it's important to talk to your healthcare provider. They can help you determine if you have poor fat absorption and recommend the best course of treatment. Welcome back to our channel and to today's video where we discuss nutrient absorption issues for those with gallbladder problems and those who had their gallbladder removed. The gallbladder is a small pear-shaped organ located beneath the liver on the right side of the abdomen. Its primary function is to store and concentrate bile, a yellow-brown digestive enzyme produced by the liver. Bile aids in the digestion of fats in the small intestine. When you eat a meal, particularly one that is high in fat, the gallbladder contracts and releases this stored bile into the small intestine through a series of ducts. If the gallbladder is removed, also called cholecystectomy, the liver still produces bile, but it will be released directly into the small intestine rather than being stored. This can lead to a less efficient digestion of fats and potentially cause diarrhea or bloating. However, many people live without a gallbladder and adjust their diets to manage these potential side effects. Symptoms of poor absorption, also known as malabsorption, can vary depending on the specific nutrients that aren't being absorbed properly. However, common symptoms can include chronic diarrhea. This is often loose and foul-smelling. It can be associated with greasy stool or styrrhea, which floats and is difficult to flush. Weight loss. This can occur even when the person is eating a normal or increased amount of food due to the body not absorbing enough nutrients. Bloating and gas. This can occur as a result of the body not being able to properly digest and absorb certain foods. Abdominal pain. This can vary from mild to severe and can be a constant or intermittent. Fatigue and weakness. These can result from the body not getting enough nutrients. Nutrient deficiencies. These can lead to a variety of symptoms such as anemia from iron or vitamin B12 deficiency, bone pain and fractures from calcium and vitamin D deficiency, and bleeding from vitamin K deficiency. Skin and hair problems. These can include dry skin, rashes, and hair loss, and can result from deficiencies in various nutrients. Swelling or fluid accumulation. This can result from protein malabsorption. Here are some typical nutrient deficiencies and their related symptoms that can occur due to poor fat absorption. Vitamin A deficiency. Signs of inadequate vitamin A absorption can include night blindness, dry skin, and frequent infections. Vitamin D deficiency. Symptoms such as weak bones, muscle pain, and fatigue are often linked to low vitamin D levels, which can be a result of poor fat digestion. Hormonal imbalances. Hormones like estrogen and testosterone are fat-derived, so individuals with poor fat absorption may experience mood swings and irregular menstrual cycles in women. Inflammation. Insufficient levels of vitamin D and E can lead to chronic inflammation, which is associated with various health problems, including heart disease, asthma, and autoimmune diseases. When bile production is insufficient, perhaps due to gallbladder removal or gallstone disease, the absorption of fats becomes less effective, which can lead to various health problems such as inefficient nutrient absorption. A lack of sufficient bile can obstruct the proper digestion and absorption of crucial nutrients including vitamin A, D, E, and K, which are essential for overall health maintenance. If you're dealing with poor absorption or malabsorption, it's important to work with a healthcare provider or a dietitian to ensure you're getting the nutrients you need. Here are some general strategies that might be recommended. Eat smaller, more frequent meals. Instead of 3 large meals, try eating 5 or 6 smaller meals throughout the day. This can make it easier for your body to absorb nutrients. Take vitamin and mineral supplements. Depending on the nutrients you're having trouble absorbing, you might need to take supplements. For example, people with fat malabsorption often need to take fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K. Oftentimes, sublingual vitamins are recommended. Consume easy-to-digest foods. Some foods are easier to digest and absorb than others. For example, cooked vegetables and fruits are often easier to digest than raw ones. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of fluids to help your body digest and absorb nutrients, but don't drink while eating. Limit foods that can exacerbate malabsorption. These might include high-fat foods, lactose, or gluten, depending on your specific condition. Consider fortified foods. These are foods that have extra nutrients added to them. They can be a good way to get more of the nutrients you're having trouble absorbing. If you don't have a gallbladder, it's crucial to adjust your diet to ensure proper nutrient absorption. Foods high in long-chain fatty acids require bile for absorption, but medium-chain triglycerides or MCTs do not. Foods like grass-fed butter, coconut oil, and full-fat yogurt contain MCTs and are excellent choices post-gallbladder surgery. Additionally, fasting can support healthy digestion without a gallbladder. During fasting, your small intestines don't need to digest food, reducing stress on the digestive system and lessening the need for bile. Using a high-quality bile salt supplement to compensate for the absence of a gallbladder can promote normal fat digestion and nutrient absorption and can lessen the burden on the pancreas. Choose healthy fats. Include sources of MCTs, monounsaturated, and polyunsaturated fats in your diet. Foods like avocados, nuts, seeds, olive oil, coconut oil, grass-fed butter, and fatty fish such as salmon or mackerel are good choices. These fats are easier to digest than the saturated or trans fats found in processed foods. Do not avoid fat. It's crucial not to exclude all dietary fats because they play a role in hormone production and cell membrane function. Aim for healthy unsaturated fats and include MCTs to enhance nutrient levels and provide the body with essential fatty acids for overall health. Poor fat absorption can lead to a variety of health problems, including vitamin A deficiency, vitamin D deficiency, hormonal imbalances, and inflammation. If you're experiencing any of the symptoms of poor fat absorption, it's important to talk to your healthcare provider. There are a number of treatments available for poor fat absorption, depending on the underlying cause. Share this video with others who may be struggling with poor absorption. Leave a comment below with your own tips for managing this condition. Until next time, stay healthy.